Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice about buying cars. Kevin is helping his wife's grandmother replace her old Saturn. The family is looking for a car suited for an older driver, something that's reliable but also simple. No screens and tech that would frustrate an 80-year-old driver. With a $15,000 budget, what car should they buy? No one at the Jalopnik office would describe me as a reasonable person, but that's about to change. Right here, I've got the best option for your dear old wife's grandma. I should know, my grandma's 87 herself, and she's really trying to buy a new car, and I'm trying to push her into one of these. The 10th generation Corolla checks pretty much all the boxes. It's the right price, it's simple, it's reliable, and it's really not too big at all. In fact, it's virtually the same size as her old Saturn. Inside there are literally 0 screens other than a radio and a trip odometer. It's also got just about the biggest shifter that's ever been fitted to a compact car. In a word, it's perfect. For your price range, you're probably gonna get about a 2013 model, probably about 35,000 miles on the clock. And you know, for a Toyota, that's basically brand new. Kevin, my friend, make the right choice. Buy a Corolla for your wife's grandma. Hell, maybe she'll even love you. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.